We know very little about the Omicron variant B11529, but we are starting to learn something. And by the end of this video, you learn the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to this virus. There is a fine line between overreacting and too caring because it's still so known. How we react depend upon these three things mainly. First, the severity of COVID it causes. Second, how easily it spread. Third, if it resistance to our vaccines. It's unlikely to have total resistance to vaccines, but there is a good chance of making them less effective. The answers are starting to trickle in, but will take time to know for sure in the next few days and weeks. Omicron could be really nasty, or it could be a false alarm, or somewhere in the between. But most important thing we need to do is learn about Omicron and answer of these three questions. What we know for sure is the entire genetic sequence of the Omicron. It has over 30 concerning mutations in its spike protein. Omicron shares several key mutations with two previous variants, beta and gamma, that made them less vulnerable to vaccine. Also, mutation make it more prone to spread faster by binding more tightly to the ACE2 receptors and getting into cells more efficiently by tweaking the furin cleavage site. So even though we know the genetic sequence, the technology to reliably predict how a virus behavior will change, including whether it can evade our current vaccines. It based purely over genetic sequence. It based purely on genetic information. That technology does not exist. That's why the upcoming test is crucial. Within the next couple of weeks, we will have this answered. Initial data will come from the lab test of the blood samples from vaccinated peoples and lab animals, analyzing antibodies to the samples after the exposure to the new variant. First real world study of vaccine effectiveness in the community will likely tell at 3 to 4 weeks. The good news is that of the known cases, it does not seem to cause any worse disease. It's unlikely that it will have low virulence. But again, right now, we don't know. But this question should be answered in the next couple of weeks. So we need to be vigilant that the science right and the answer the most important questions as soon as possible. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more informative updates.